In today's tutorial, you will learn how to set up access reviews, auto-reject, and reminders to keep your team's environment secure using the External User Manager app. First, open your Microsoft Teams app. Navigate to the External User Manager. Go to the Settings, and under Governance, you'll find the Access Review. This is where you can control how and when external users are reviewed and managed. Under Invite Review, you'll see an option called Review Time. Click on this and set the number of days after which you want to review the access of external users. For example, setting it to 30 means every 30 days you'll need to confirm whether external users should continue to have access. Next, let's set up auto-reject. This feature is crucial for maintaining security by automatically rejecting any pending access reviews that haven't been dealt with in the specified time. Below that, you'll find Reject Days. Here, enter the number of days to wait before an untouched access review is automatically rejected. This time frame should give you enough leeway to review permissions, but not so long that your environment becomes vulnerable. Moving on to auto-reject reminders. This will help ensure that you or your team are alerted before an automatic rejection occurs, giving you a chance to intervene if needed. In Remind Days, specify how many days before the automatic rejection you want the reminder to be sent out. Setting this a few days before the auto-reject deadline provides a good buffer to complete any pending reviews. If you want to know more about External User Manager and how it can improve your organization's governance processes, then book a free demo on our website today.